Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Flowers Decor Ideas. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. If you don't set goals, you can't regard not reaching them. This too shall pass. If someone is important enough, even if the odds are against you, you should still to do. Internship is neither a science nor an art. It is a practice. Performance wise, you really need to be done in the transactions. You need to do the hard work for a lot of reasons to build yourself as performer, to get a sense of the audience, to work hard and to wonder, do I really want to do this? If you do what you have always done, you shall get what you have always gotten. Time is what we want most, but we use worst. There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stars. The rugs of a leader was never. Samosas do not make skillful salaries. People who say it can't be done shall not interrupt those who are doing it. If you are not embarrassed by the first version of your product you have launched too late, change will not come if you wait for some other persons or some other time. We are the ones we have been waiting for. We are change what that we seek. Courage is contagious. When a brave man take a stand, the suspense of others are stiffened. A ship is harbor is safe, but that is not what ships are for. If you are willing to do more than you are paid to do, actually you will be paid to do more than you do. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to push and reflect. If people like you, they shall listen to you, but if they trust you, they shall do business with you. Do what you love to do and give it your very best, whether it's business or baseball or the theater or any field. If you don't love what you are doing and you can't give it your best, get out of it. Life is too short